Hello dear viewers, you are welcome to this platform again, and this is still the platform where we share trading ideas. And also, if you don't forget that I said I've created a kind of a platform on Telegram where questions and discussions will be welcomed. Not only that, we are going to be having setups, signals on daily basis or whenever we have the opportunity. And do not forget, as usual, if you are viewing this video for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that you are going to be having opportunity to view profitable trading ideas on this channel. And as well, do not forget to share the link to the channel to people out there. And as well, kindly comment and like if this video really helps you, and I'll be very glad to drop more profitable and enlightening ideas on trading live. And if you have subscribed to this channel before, kindly share the link. I want more people on this platform and also on the Telegram platform. I created the Telegram platform to be a kind of a community where we'll be sharing ideas on how to better our trading life, how to set ourselves free from financial difficulty. All right. So recently, I've just also created a Facebook page as well for signals, where I'll be sending signals on daily basis or when we have the opportunity. This is what I put in place because I want us to have one big community together, you and I. All right. So without wasting our time, what I bring to you today has no or nothing to do with indicators. This is purely price action, right? It is price action based. What I meant by that is we are not going to involve or use any indicator, all right? So what we are going to do is mainly on the charts and also the movement of the market and reactions of some zones or levels. That is what we want to do. Okay, this is a volatility 101S index, and this is 30-minute time frame. This particular trading pattern or trading strategy has nothing to do with the time frame. That is, it works on every time frame, both on synthetic indices that I'm on now and also currency pairs. It is useful and applicable to both synthetics and currency pairs. And as well, the only thing is, since this strategy works on every time frame, that is, it can form, you can have it or see it on any time frame at all. But what matters or what differs from the formation of this particular strategy on this time frame is the time of formation. This particular strategy can take minutes to form, it can take hours to form, it can take days to form, weeks to form, even year to form. But one thing that is sure bet is when this forms and you enter at the right time, it is very profitable. You can even turn your $100 to $1,000 and even more when you have this this setup ripe and you enter appropriately. That is what it is. Without wasting time, the strategy I'm talking about is trading W pattern. Some people call it double bottom. All right, that is what I'm actually talking about. And when I start to be showing it to you now, you yourself will see that it can be profitable when you imagine how far it is from where you enter and you imagine what you will have gotten if you are able to enter the trade appropriately and on time. All right. So this W pattern that I'm talking about has 3 variations, but one of them is very perfect. That's when you are able to, or you are opportune to enter appropriately, you are in money, smile to the bank. But that doesn't mean that the remaining 2 are also not profitable. Only that you need to be careful when you want to trade them. And the 3 of these patterns, this variation of this particular W pattern has different ways of trading them. So I'll be showing you one after the other. Alright? The first one, that is the first variation of this W, alright, looks like this. When you have this, right, you have this, and you have something like this, and you have this. That is how it looks like. And what this means is that you have a kind of rejection right here, which is support, alright? This is going to be the low, this will be the high, and this is going to be another low. And this low breaks the previous one, alright? So this is going to be lower low right here, alright? So from this now, we have the first rejection here. We have the first rejection here at this support here. When we have it, the second one will come down a bit lower than the first one before it comes back upward. And when it comes upward like this, it usually goes far. It goes far. That is what it is. Now, from this particular variation now, it has a way of trading it. You don't just trade it anyhow. But why do we have this particular one here? We have it there because of the manipulation from the big boys or winning guys. What do I mean by that is they are not like you and I that invest only $100, $200, $500, 1,000 into the trading business. These people, they have real money. Money like millions of dollars, like billions of dollars. So they are the market makers, they control what happens in the markets. So they have this particular here, this particular circle here, circled area. They have it here to what? To stop people like you and I, to stop us out. Because they know that when we want to trade this, we would like to put our stop loss somewhere here. Alright? That when we enter the trade, we will put it below that particular place. And when we do that, now imagine that they have this one here, this one. Once they have this one here, it means we have been stopped out already. And once many of us are stopped out, the money belongs to them. Nobody is competing with them again. But we want to be competing with them, not directly, but we want to be riding the move with them. So that is why that happens. So this particular W pattern, you can see it's not double bottom. So this is not normal or perfect or proper. That is the first variation. The second variation is we have the proper one. Alright? We have the proper one. And this proper one, when you see or look at it, they have what? Equal base. This is the support from the first leg, and second leg goes up and retraces again to the same level to make what? The support. In this case now, when we trade it or we enter into the trade, people normally place the SL below it as well, right? Believing that once you have the rejection in the first leg, rejection in the second leg, it means it is unable to break that particular level there, that the market moves up. That is the second way, second variation. And the third variation, which is the most perfect, all right, is the one that looks like this and looks like this. That is the most perfect there. You will see that this one and the first one that I showed to you, they share similar shape. Only that the first leg of the first one is what? Is high, and the second leg is low. But in this case, the first leg is low and the second leg is high. Something like forming a new high and low. Alright? That is what it is. But in this case now, it is also the work of the big boys. Alright? We have the support there, support level there. But once the big boys fake this out, they fake this out to us, the retail traders. So we believe that, which kind of formation is this? But instead of the second one to come to the base level of the first leg, it's what? It stops almost a bit before the first leg, to the upside before the first leg. So when this happens, some people are confused, those that don't know how to trade it. And when this happens, they ride alone because we are not able to trade or move with them. That is the third variation. Now, before I tell you how to trade it, let me show you some instances of what I'm talking about. Like I said, this formation, we can have it on every time frame. We can have it on synthetic indices. We can have it on currency pairs as well. So, see it yourself and see what I'm talking about. For you to be able to see this very well, you will have to sprinkle your charts. You have to do that so that you see everything clearly. It's not that when you expand the what, when you zoom it in, it doesn't mean that you cannot what, see them. But I prefer using this method so that I'll be able to see the shape very well. Now this is what I'm talking about. Look at this W now. You can see the W now, all right? So when you look at this one, you can see they don't have the same base. One has lower leg and one has upper leg, all right? This is the appropriate one that I'm talking about. Now from there, look at what it is. Sorry. Just look at. Can you see now? This is where the W is. You can see. Now look at the right. Just look at the right. So imagine, even if you use a minimum lot size, if you have small accounts, like even $20 or $50, and you're able to enter this with only one opening or one position opened, look at what you get from all this, from this journey. Look at what you get from here. Look at, you can see now. You can see, just look at right from down there, all right? So this particular pattern is very, very profitable. That is the W shape there. This is the proper one that I'm talking about. Now let me scout for more, if I can see. And I will as well go to another, look at another one. This is another variation, different from the one I showed to you now. Look at, the market is coming from down there. You have this, goes up, comes down, and goes again. Can you see now? Now look at the base. You see the support on the first leg here, and second leg is a bit lower than the first one. So it's different from the first one I showed to you. That is second variation now. All right, look at this as well. Can you see? Look at the whole journey up there. That is money. If you have one standard lot size, all right, look at the whole money there. So with this strategy or this kind of a trading pattern, you can have $1,000 in this only one trading. You can have it. It's not impossible, right? I'm looking for the one that is very clear for you too. This is another one here. You can see. This is another W shape again. This one is also similar to the second one I showed to you now. Now look at the move. You can see the move. So that one stops up here. This one stops up there. But before that, look at the move. So let me go to another pair now. Let me go to Crash 500. Crash 500. You can have it in any time frame, as I said. Let me switch to 15 minutes. 15-minute time frame. So this has to do with training your eyes to see this very well, and do not take what is not it for it, so that you not enter the wrong trade in order not to blow your account. That is what it is. Okay, this is 1 year. Just look at the market is coming from up there, and look at the W shape here. This one is almost like the first one I showed to you. Now look at the move. See the move. Very long journey. Look at the move up here. Can you see? See the move before it ends there. Let me look for one more. Let me go to another instrument. Boom 1000. This is Boom 1000. Seems I saw something. Yes. This is another one. This place is W shape. Look at the market coming from here, up here, and here, then fires up. When you look at it, the first leg is what? Lower than the second leg. This is what it is. The support there. And look at the journey up there. That is money. Even with your small account, if you enter the market appropriately, you have the money. That is what it is. This is another one here. But this one has a panicked price. The price is not balanced, right? It's coming like this, goes there like this, and it doesn't get to the first leg. You can see where the support is. Alright? So this is about this particular pattern. I wish I show you anyone. Let me check this step index that is on. It seems I have the W there. Okay, it is not it. It's not the W, but it seems like this kind of the W, but this is not. Okay, this is 1 year. You can see on a step index, you are having the market coming like this, goes up, come like this, and fires up. You can see that's the W shape. And look at the journey. You can see the journey. From this W here, it goes or fires up. So that is that about the video. Once again, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do. It matters. When you do that, I'll be very glad to give more tips on trading life, profitable ones. All right? So I will say thank you once again. Yes, I promise that I'm going to show you how to trade this W pattern and its variations. Yes, I promise, and I'm going to do that. But what will happen is I created the platform community. I want to have it like a community where we'll be having discussions and questions as well. So you have to show me the proof you have subscribed on the Telegram. When you click or you tap the link from the description below the video, and I will as well put the Telegram link on the video. You see it on the video. Kindly type it and click on the link. You are going to join us on the Telegram platform, and there I will explain the 3 variations of the W pattern or double button to you, and I will tell you the right way to enter the stop loss and the target of it. Even at times when you have trades on and you don't know where it will end, you can as well do the analysis and get some things. And also more videos to come on how to use Fibonacci. You can have only Fibonacci as your trading pattern or system. How to use Fibonacci, the right entry, the stop loss, and the exit or the target. We are going to be rubbing minds on that on the what? The platform channel. So that is what it is about or on this particular video. See you on the platform channel. Stay blessed.